Digestion begins in the mouth, where food particles are ground by teeth, a form of mechanical digestion, and the salivary glands secrete salivary amylase and mucin for chemical digestion. The tongue forms a bolus from the food particle, which moves to the pharynx and moves down the esophagus straight to the stomach via peristalsis, or contractions of the esophageal sphincter. Upon arrival of the bolus, the stomach expands due to gastrin, and gastric juice components begin chemical digestion. HCl secreted from the parietal cells located on the inner lining of the stomach activates pepsinogen released from the chief cells to create pepsins, which break down food into smaller polypeptides. Acid chyme produced in the stomach is escorted from the pyloric sphincter into the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine, where most digestion and absorption takes place. Brush border cells contain microvilli, which increase surface area to expedite digestion. The liver produces bile salts to help in chemical digestion, as well as the gallbladder, which stores bile, and the pancreas that releases zymogens such as trypsin and cytotrypsin that break down polypeptides into smaller polypeptides such as maltose. These zymogens are activated by enterokinase. Carboxypeptidase breaks down smaller polypeptides into amino acids. Pancreatic amylase breaks small polypeptides into di or monosaccharides. The presence of fatty foods causes enterogastron, a hormone made of secretin and cholecystokinin, to be secreted. Fat globules are emulsified by bile salts, and lipase breaks these down into glycerol and fatty acids. Nucleases break down DNA and RNA into nucleotides. Farther on in the small intestines, the ileum and jejunum are concerned more with the absorption of any left nutrients. In the large intestine, which includes the cecum, colon, and appendix, the absorption of any water or nutrients takes place. However, there is no further digestion. The remaining feces is stored in the rectum, where it will eventually be released through the anus as human waste.